Me. Or you have to pay a penalty. I'll sue you in court. I'll sue you in court. Ay, ate, stop court. Stop filming
Che.
me. Yeah. But Chris, frankly speaking, I think, and in my own point of view, your girlfriend is Chacha. You're just the type of person who's very, as I say, is very low profile. You don't want other people to mess around with your life.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm right. You don't want other people to mingle with your life.
Who told you that, man? Who told you?
I can feel it.
Oh.
You're with Chacha.
Oh.
You just don't want to be honest with us. But I think you're in love with Chacha. Yeah.
So you think?
Yeah. In my own point of view, in my own opinion, I'm entitled to my own opinion.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Don't be mad at me. Don't punch me. I know you are a good kicker because you're a soccer player. You know, don't kick me in the face or I might get dizzy or bang. But I think your Chacha is your girlfriend. Yeah. Chacha is your girlfriend. You just don't want to be